Embark on a captivating mathematical journey as we delve into the Taylor series expansion of the function Expex using Mathcad 13. The exponential function, represented by x, is foundational in mathematics, and understanding its Taylor series expansion provides deep insights into its behavior. In this tutorial, we'll simplify the complex and demonstrate how Mathcad 13's powerful computational capabilities can be harnessed to expand Expex using the Taylor series method. From setting up the initial series expression to visualizing the approximations at different degrees, this video offers a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a student grappling with calculus concepts or a professional keen on exploring the nuances of Expex, this tutorial is tailored for you. Join us, and watch the magic of the Taylor series come alive with Mathcad 13.